Hey folks, today is August the 7th. It's currently 8:44 in the afternoon. We're going to look at doing our Titan G7 week number 20 update, as well as our Titan G27 week number 6 update. I have not actually checked to see whether this week was a winning week or a losing week. So we can go in right now and take a look at that. All right, let's go ahead and get to it here. And first day of the week was the 3rd, I believe. Yep. So it looks like we got started right around here. And at one point, we were up over $50 in profit. So we were able to jump up into profit at some point this week. We'll take a look at the MyFX book momentarily. But that is a good thing. I know that's the first time we've moved into profit since I started this test back in June 28th, as you guys can see here. So it's good to see that we've bumped up above that zero. All right, so at this point in time right now, we're currently down 1.03%. Let's go ahead and check out the MyFX book. All right, this week, we're up 1.42%. And so far for the month, we're up 1.42%. Obviously, this is the first week of August, so not much to report on yet. And hopefully over the coming weeks, we'll be able to kind of cancel out these 2 negative months and get us into profit here. Like I said, we were in profit at one point, and I believe that was from a gold trade. Let's go ahead and take a look real quick and see if we can find this gold trade that most likely hit a full profit target. All right, here's a gold trade. Got 135 pips. And okay, well, here it is right here. So you can see here, guys, 4,407 pips. So this trade right here is definitely responsible for this this push up that we had right here. And we will log into the VPS momentarily so we can take a look at that on the chart itself. But that's definitely why we were able to push up into profit this week. Unfortunately, we did have a few other losing trades that kind of pushed us back down. We can see all this red here. I don't think we had a lot of news this week except for Friday's non-farm payroll. On Monday, we had ISM manufacturing PMI. Wednesday, we had ISM non-manufacturing PMI. And then, of course, on Friday, we had non-farm payroll at 8:30 a.m. So obviously that would make the market go a little crazy here. All right, let's go ahead and jump into the VPS and actually take a look at what those what that winner looks like. And give me 1 second. Before we do that, let's go ahead and take a look, just a quick peek at Titan G7 just to see what happened this week. I'm not really too interested in G7 right now, but it can't hurt to take a look at it. First day of the week was right here, and as you can see, just basically went straight down. Started the week with $179 in profit, ended the week with $135 in profit. So definitely a losing week with Titan G7. But as I stated in previous videos, we are going to start focusing on G27. And just seeing that gold win is the main reason we're going to definitely start focusing there. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into the VPS. Give me one moment. All right, we are now in the VPS. You can see here Titan G27. Looks like we have about $15.69 open going into the weekend. And I believe this was a $3,000 sim account. And right now we're at $2,969. So hopefully we can do something about that next week. Let's scroll through here and see. Actually, we can just look for the biggest win, and it'll most likely be gold. All right, so as you guys can see here, 0.02 lot size, $88.14. All right, and that's definitely the largest winning trade we've had. And then as you guys can see, lots of smaller losing trades here, but they did add up, and that's what kind of pushed us back down. $6, $2.50, $3, $15.72, $13.23. So all these smaller losses definitely chipped away at the profit we made in gold this week. All right, so we hit our profit or take profit at 2020.96. Very, very nice. And we entered that trade over here. So a nice size winning trade. Definitely happy to see that. To see the ideology behind G27 actually start to show up here. And this is a Titan G7. Just take a quick peek over here real quick here. You can see right now we're down $14.54 going into the weekend. And we're still up overall. But it's been kind of stagnant the past few weeks. I know we had a winning week last week or the week before, but Titan G7 has not been performing as well as expected, even though it still is in profit right now. There are a lot of people that have gotten started recently that are not too happy with the software. All right, let's go ahead and jump into the members area and see what other people are reporting. All right, we're now in the Blue Edge Financial Facebook group here. And let me see, we're set to recent posts. All right, just going to leave this here. Thank you guys. So grateful. G7 and G27 and basically been playing games with each other until this week. Once again, very, very grateful and looking forward to what else G27 can do moving forward. All right, let's see what it looks like here. All right, so this individual happens to be up nicely. Let's check out this other one here. All right, so definitely happy to see they're doing well. All right, anyone else have their biggest day ever in Forex? And this is obviously recurring. This is obviously talking about that big gold win that they had. Not everyone running such a huge account, but yes, a very good day. Biggest so far, open to great abundance. Absolutely, it was great to see gold hit to take profit. 3 gold trades ending with $165 in profit. I'm interested to see what their live accounts look like, so we will take a look at that momentarily. What? No one crying now. I was just thinking how quiet it was in here. All right. Went from down 20% to down 10% with Blue Edge today since I started June 1st. Progress, maybe I'll see the green soon. I'm kind of in the same situation. Day just began, and just like that, my account went up by $120, hoping to double the size of my account soon. And here's somebody, they mentioned no 2.4% loss on G7 today. All right, so yeah, everyone is talking about G27. Don't want to get too excited about this, but it's hard not to. Raked in 31% today. I'm in a bit shocked, thinking of throwing G7 in the bin now. Grateful boys, very grateful. All right, let me make sure I read that right. Raked in 31% today. I wish I could see my Facebook account. 31% in one day. All right, no, I lost 4 times more than I made. Let's see what happened there. You got something set up wrong. Let's fix it. Let's chat. All right. Try chat. No one there. Just losing more money by the minute. Still no G27. Okay, so this individual, based on still no G27, he must be trading G7. You're chatting on the wrong website. Chat support for Blue Edge is phenomenal. All right. So that's kind of what people are looking at or feeling right now. I wonder why my account hasn't taken any gold trades. Haven't got any errors. All right, let's see what they say about this. Remember, guys, closing profitable trades early is classic retail or herd behavior. I've seen multiple people today who missed out on 50% of what they would have made had they let their trades run. Essentially, what you're doing by doing this is cutting short and letting losers ride. Have you asked support? They are grateful or helpful. Trying to see what they actually say is the reason why he most likely didn't get those. Hey man, yeah, if you check the expert tabs, you can see it is not in your allowed symbols list. Like Ben Woody said, support can give you a detailed answer as to why we've chosen to exclude it. Hey mate, thanks for answering. Okay, so we should keep that excluded. I would, yes, but that's a simple answer. The live account doesn't show XAG USD is open. It's probably a demo account which doesn't have spreads, remember? All right, so I'm not sure what happened there. All right, so here it is right here. It looks like this is the answer. If you check the experts tab, this was due to spread being higher than the max allowed spread for trade. Some of my accounts have 4 buys on gold. Currently, others have only 2 and others have 3, all for the same reason, spread spiking at the time of the trade, and therefore not all accounts took that trade. All right, so that gives us at least an answer as to why that individual didn't get any gold trades. Let's go ahead and lastly take a look and see how they did in their live accounts. G27 live accounts right here. Get rid of this. All right, this is aggressive. All right, so it looks like they made 19.84% this week. And you guys can see that's a real account. Started with a little over $2,000. All right, so that's the aggressive settings. Let's check out this one with a little bit more money in it. 16.93%. Started with a little over 7,000. And it looks like they just got above the break-even level as well. That big gold win, and then they had the same pullback I did. So they're overall up 1.72% right now. Let me see what this other account is overall up. All right, so they're actually up 11.23%. This is a moderate risk account. They made 7.58% this week. Same thing, big gold win, and then we had all those smaller losses that kind of chipped away at that big gold win. And we can check a conservative trade. Nothing there. We can try this one. All right, so it looks like this week they made 9.91%. Gold got them above the break-even level, and all those smaller losses chipped away at it. And so they're up 1.97%. Hopefully this is the start of something good. We'll see over the next few weeks if we can get a few more of those nice size winning trades. Now we all can kind of see the ideology behind how this system works. And yeah, I guess now we just have to have faith in it and give it a few more weeks to kind of prove itself. Anyway, that's going to be it for this week's Titan weekly review. If you guys have any questions on it, don't hesitate to send them my way. And if you want to test it for yourself, make sure you guys click the link below. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you next week in our next weekly update review for Titan. Take care, folks.